All right, so we are redoing our light switch cover for Little Wakanda over here. So we're going to go through and I'm going to do it slightly different than I did before. So I am going to start off by, let's see, start with a sketch. And we are going here, rectangle, and we're doing a center rectangle. So this is different than what we did on the previous one. So I start here, I click it in the very center, and then, ooh, I need to change my settings because all my settings are supposed to be in inches. So let's change that to inches. There we go. Says default. Now I can go ahead and do this again. All right, so create rectangle, center rectangle, because we're going to center everything right here, and this will save a lot of headache that people had from before. So the highlighted one in blue is supposed to be 2.8, and hit tab. And now that highlighted one is supposed to be 4.55. So now we have constraints. It's locked in. What's up, Wakanda? What's up? You lost already? Did you start by creating it a sketch? Did you create a sketch yet? Okay. Did you click on rectangle right here, rectangle, and then under rectangle you want to go center rectangle. Okay, that's fine. So what were the dimensions going up and down? Can you still see it on the screen? All right, so 2.8 on this side here. Can you see that? 2.8 there. And then hit tab to go over to the other one of 4.55. Yep. Yes. All right, now hit enter. Now we're going to do the next one, the center one. But I'm going to do the rectangle again, same ways. From the center. So I'm going to start it from the center here. And the little inside piece was, stretch it out. And the one that's highlighted in blue has to be 1.3. Hit tab. The other one is 2.65. Do you do another center rectangle? You kind of said that with a question mark. Yeah. 2.65. Did you get it? Okay. To enter. So now they're all locked in. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to go over here and I'm going to finish that sketch. Did you hit finish sketch? Someone did not actually do from the center. Do it again. Oh, I forgot here the weird name. Great sketch. Rectangle. You know what's gonna be even worse? Like in this video, you can hear you chomping. It's so ridiculous. Nom nom nom. All right. So what's the measurements? 1.3. And was it 2.65? There you go. See? Uh-huh. All right. So, for those people following along, Little Wakanda, got nacho cheese on my mouse. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to extrude and just select the outside portion, this piece right here. And let's see. And I can't remember. I think it's like 0.15. 0.15. There we go. So it's 0.15 inches. There we go. Did you extrude it?
I did extrude it, but it's like the whole thing.
Okay, but unclick the center, back it up, and only have the outside. So don't click the inside. So you should only have the outside highlighted. All right, watch this. All right, you ready, Wakanda? You ready?
Yeah.
Hit extrude, but only select this. Make sure you're only selecting this one. And if your center is selected, just click on the center. Like that. See what it did? I clicked on it, and then you can unclick on it.
It's still good. It's like it's weird.
We're only like 2 steps into this. How can you mess this up this bad, Wakanda?
I didn't mess it up. I was just following what you said, and then it's like that.
I think because you're left-handed.
Me? That's not as good. You should.
See, I could select the inside.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can select the inside, but the outside not. It's gonna do the whole thing.
So I don't know how we messed this up. I guess I'm gonna have to come over and do that for you. Anyway, I'll do it again. 0.15. Because you got nacho cheese in the keyboard.
No, I
I'm
don't.
looking right there. Nacho cheese on the keyboard.
I don't have that to use on my finger though. Like,
All right. So you ready? So I'm gonna go like this. Right here, I'm gonna start because I need a line. Line's gonna start at this point here, and it's going to go over 0.38, and that's going to give me this spot here. Click on that, right click on that, and I'm going to make a hole. My hole is going to be like this, where the outside was 0.24. The inside is going to be 0.22. And I'm going to go all the way through. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Create, sketch on there. Sway 0.38. Right click, hole. We're going to go all the way through. 0.24, 0.22. Hit OK. I'm going to now select all my edges. Hold down Control and click on every outside edge. And now I'm going to fillet 0.1. So now I have a rounded edges over here. I'm going to create text. I know text is on here, and I don't know why I can't see it. Create sketch on here. There you go. There's my text. And what am I going to call this? Change my font to something cool. And center it right there. Hit OK. Right click. Press pull. And 0.1. It pulls it out. Let's see if I could go like this. So I could see this here. It's coming out there. And therefore, I am now done with the whole thing. Alright, so that's it. Let's go save it under Acho light switch. And to turn this in, you have to export it, F3D, and make sure it goes to users, whatever it is. So I need to change mine, just downloads, just in downloads, hit export. There we go. Then for those people that are actually, let's go to my engineering class, and let's go to assignments, view as a student, light switch cover, start assignment, downloads, there it is, submit assignment. Yay! Alright, that's it. Make sure you all like, share, and subscribe.